Doug Kachuk here to show you what we can do with virtual microscopy and Moodle in teaching hematologists and others on how to look at a blood film. In particular, this lesson is about the low magnification approach of blood films, and it's presented as a series of questions which you're graded on. So for example here, this first question gives you a history of a 58-year-old man with history of weakness and headache, and you look at the blood film here, and you can see that we have very fast virtual microscopy. You zoom in here, pan around, you can see nice rouleau formation. You go back and you answer the question. You enter a keyword or any variation of this keyword, you submit it, you get graded, and you get an immediate response. Part of the response includes an expert looking at the exact same blood film. Viewing this slide, low power, we see there is increased amount of shown here, and we continue on with the quiz, and we have a bone marrow from the same patient, and we look at the bone marrow. You can move in here, zoom in, zoom out. You can see this plasma cells overtake this bone marrow. There's some beautiful examples of Mott cells shown here. We go back and it asks you what cell is abnormal in this bone marrow, and any version of plasma cell or Mott cell works as a correct answer. You get another correct answer, you get an expert looking at the same bone marrow. You continue on, it asks you, this same patient, what is the likely lesion of this tongue from, and you enter the answer. And you get an immediate response. You continue on, and we look at another blood film here, and a question of a 23-year-old woman. You're called into the emergency room with a low platelet count. You zoom in, take a look at the blood film, and you can see the abnormality here. You go back, you answer the question. We can answer incorrectly. You get an incorrect response. You have an expert looking at this. You have a chance to go back and look at the same question and answer it differently, or you can continue on. And this is another example of a history and a blood film. You can see here the blood film. You zoom in, you can see the abnormality here quite readily. And you put the answer. I'll put an incorrect answer here, and you get this. So this is an example of immersive interactive learning using an online education platform like Moodle that is married to robust virtual microscopy. For any more information, please reach out. Again, Doug Kachuk from One World Accuracy.